Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show y'all how I got these cute passion twists. I want to give a shout out to Julia Hair for sending over this hair to me. I appreciate it. So they did send me over a six pack of hair in the color 1B T27. Sorry. 1B T27. It came with a crochet needle and some hair stuff, like hair accessories. So here I'm just showing y'all how I did my parts. They wasn't perfect, and yeah, they weren't perfect, but they got the job done. And this is the hair and the color. They did have a 1B option, but I didn't want to do that one because I feel like my hair already has like brown at the tip, so I just went with the T27 instead. Alright, so here all you have to do is literally just push the crochet through the hair at the bottom underneath the rubber band. And I fluffed out both pieces, so I took two pieces of strands of hair. I'm trying to explain this the best way I can. And basically I stretched them out and I put it in the crochet needle and I pulled it up, so it's going to be like a little hole there. So basically you want to pull one side out, pull one side up and hold the other side, as you see what I'm doing. And yeah, so when you do it, just pull it back and forth on both ends to make sure you got it through. And that's basically what I did my entire head. And this process took me about 5 hours, and I only used 5 packs, so I have 1 pack left over. My hair was kind of peeking out. So at the end I did use some hair accessories to cover some of my hair that's peeking out so it doesn't look so bad. But yeah, this was me halfway through. And I stretched mine out because mine wasn't 18 inches. But I stretched it out because I wasn't about to wear no 18. I needed it to be longer than that. And like I said, this hair is from Julia Hair on Amazon. They did send me this hair. And the hair is super soft too, like it's really soft. Like when I'm going through, like rubbing it right now, like it's just so soft, and this doesn't feel heavy at all. Yeah, just keep doing what I showed you. Pull it through the hole, push it up, and make sure you pull one side and hold the other, and make sure you pull it back and forth to make sure that it's in there. And then just twist it all the way down. It's so repetitive and so time consuming, but I did this by myself, and then I used some mousse to try to keep my hairs that was peeking out inside the twist. And I'm not too good at edges, y'all. Like I tried, but edge control just don't be working for me. It don't be working. It just be making my hair. Some of my edge controls make my hair look greasy, but this edge control I use this even one. It's like the 24-hour one, and they come in like the pink jar. They got a whole bunch of different colors. I use the pink one. And yes, y'all, I just did the same thing over. Just put the hair clips in where I thought I needed them. But yeah, this is where I'm going to end off on my video. I want to thank y'all for watching. and for commenting and sharing my videos. I've been seeing a lot of people sharing my videos lately and commenting lately, and I'm almost at 500. So yeah, so let's keep going, because I'm really trying to get to 1,000. I'm trying to be consistent. So thanks for everybody who's been watching me. I appreciate it, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Deuces.